Hello guys, this is Gerald TV. Join our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is Gerald Online IT Classes. In this channel, we don't do content. What we do here is teaching. And what we teach here is information technology from the grassroots, from the scratch. Join us in this channel. Subscribe to this channel. We will make you and help you to achieve your dreams. If you are aspiring to be an IT technician tomorrow, we will help you. If you want to get certifications like Contier A+, Network Plus, Cloud Plus, and Cybersecurity Plus, IT Fundamental Plus, and others, we will help you to achieve it. Because we are going to give you the best. We are going to teach you from the scratch. As long as you will follow this channel, you will learn a lot. This is a new YouTube channel. And this is the first video we are uploading in this channel. And this is why we are promising you the best. As long as you subscribe to this channel, we will do our best to coach you. Remember, whenever we upload video on this channel, if you are one of the subscribers, you will get your notifications. So hurry up and subscribe to this channel. You won't regret it. Our first lesson we are going to talk about today will be on the first thing you're supposed to know as someone who wants to know information technology very well. You have to know everything about hardwares, and you have to know all about softwares. That is the two components of a computer. So we are going to teach you first the hardwares, how they function, and what is a hardware, before we dive into the softwares. And we will teach you the best. Thank you. Just follow us up. Our lesson for today, we will look at what a computer is and also computer categories, or the component of a computer. First of all, a computer are systems that take input from a user, process it, then display the results or store the results to be used later. It is very important that you understand the basic component that make up a computer. Computers are made up of two parts: the hardware and the software. And the constituent parts that work together to create a functional computer. The hardware is a physical component that composes a computer system or network. Common hardware components include the keyboard, the mouse, the monitor, and the printer. Hardware refers to the physical component, as I said earlier, that are installed inside or connected to a computer system. By itself, I repeat, hardware cannot do anything without software. It needs instruction. And what gives it instruction is the software. The instruction in other way is called the data. And this instruction or data that are stored electronically, either on a hard drive or a special chip. Software's components include the operation system, the program applications. These are examples of software, which we will discuss in this channel, which we will teach them one after the other in this particular channel. In this lesson, we are not going to explain much on the software now, but we are going to explain exactly the difference and the job or the interrelationship between the hardware and the software, because two of them relate to each other and no one can go and leave the other. Okay, let me give you an example between the hardware and the software. You see, two of them is just like a car. Hardware is just like a car without a driver. That is, what I mean is, hardware without software is like a car without a driver. I think you understand what I mean. When you buy a car and there's no driver to drive that car becomes useless. That is the same thing with a hardware. When the hardware is there, the mouse is there, the keyboard is there, the monitor is there, the printer is there, and there is no software, nothing will happen. It will not come on, which we will discuss when we are going to discuss about the operation system. You will know about the firmware. You will know about the GUI, graphic user interface. All these are components that will make your computer to boot, to come on. And that time you will know that the software plays a very important role on the activities or the work of the hardware or the work of the computer. Now, as I said earlier, hardware without software is like or the work of the hardware or the work of the computer. Now, as I said earlier, hardware without software is like a car without a driver. Let me explain it very well. A car has the potential to drive, but it needs a driver. Do you understand what I mean? Your car may have the potential to drive, but it needs what? A driver in order to see that potential. That is how it is. Now, without a driver, the car cannot do anything. The same is true with hardware. Hardware has a lot of potential, but it needs software to instruct it to use that potential. Do you understand me? The main thing to remember is that hardware is the potential and software is the instruction. In this lesson, we are going to take a look at the different type of hardware devices that composes a computer system. As I mentioned the hardware here, though we are not going to explain them in this video. We will just cut this video short at this moment. In our next video, we are going to discuss about these other types of hardware devices, like the input, the storage, the network. You see, the storage, the network, the output, all these are all hardware devices, and we are going to discuss them. The storage, I mentioned them, there are about 5 of them. So on our next video, we will mention them one after the other so that you will know exactly how they work. That's computer functions. You will know how the input works, which is made up of mouse, keyboard, and touch screen. How it works, how the processing, which is another one, but it's not an input. How the central processing unit, CPU, random access memory, RAM. That is the process, is in the group of processing. So you will know how those ones works. Then we'll talk about storage devices, hard disk drive, solid state drive, optical drives, flash drives. We will discuss about that, and the output, which is the video, the output, the printer, all these things.